Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Gusto Payroll Basics for freelancers in the USA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Gusto Payroll for freelancers in the USA, first, visit the Gusto website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Once you've filled in the required information, click Continue. Next, you'll need to provide some basic information about your business. Fill in your business name, address, and phone number accurately. After entering your business details, you'll select your business structure. Choose freelancer or sole proprietor as appropriate for your situation. Gusto will then prompt you to enter your social security number for tax purposes. Once entered, click Continue to move to the next step. Now, you'll set up your payment schedule preferences. Choose how often you want to be paid, such as weekly or monthly. Next, Gusto requires your banking information for direct deposits. Enter your bank account number and routing number carefully. Once this information is entered, click Continue. Now, you will need to fill out information for tax purposes. Gusto will guide you through entering your federal and state tax information. Ensure that all data is correct, as this is crucial for compliance. After completing the tax information, review your inputs carefully. Make any necessary corrections before proceeding. Next, set up your employee profile within Gusto. Enter your social security number and any other requested personal information. Continue by verifying your identity through your email or phone number. Once verified, you'll set up your direct deposit details for payroll. Input the necessary bank details for where you want your earnings deposited. Then, review all information again for accuracy before finalizing. After everything looks correct, click Submit to complete the setup. You will be redirected to your Gusto dashboard once completed. From there, you can navigate through various payroll features as needed. Explore the tutorials and resources Gusto offers to become familiar with the platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.